Hi, this is Heidi from Garden Crossings, and here's the secondary part to our fall transformation. It looks beautiful right now, but I'm just kind of sick of the annuals and ready for a new look. So Rod is going ahead and trimming back these Supertunia Vista Paradise, and he's going to roll them away here in just a moment. And we'll be replacing these with Garden Mums. So you can see we have one of our fall planters already in place. The hydrangeas are looking really quite pretty. And then, yeah, we're gonna get rid of this pink and we're gonna be replacing it with white and kind of like a salmon pink colored mum. So I think that'll look pretty with those hydrangeas there in the background. Kind of pull out some of the colors that are going on there. So you can see just was taking a scissors, cutting at the base of the container, rolling up that huge ball of petunias, and off to the garbage they'll be going. So this is what we have left. Crazy to see how colorful it was to now what it is. But we have these containers here in the ground, and you can see there is 2 of them there. There's a pot inside of a pot, and what we're going to do is we're going to remove the dirt that is in these pots. He's going to step in here a minute and do that for us. So he's just basically going to pull that pot out, remove anything that may have fallen into the pot that's holding the place there. And then next, we're just going to place the Garden Mums down in there. So Marissa's going to come and she's easily just setting the mums back down in. And up front here, we're doing kind of that salmon pink and then white, and then we'll do another salmon pink one for kind of every other pattern. That's a continuation of what I have on the other side of the sidewalk that we're working on. So she'll go ahead and place in that last mum for us. We do have drippers in this area as well. So next we're just going to take that drip tubing and just tuck it inside of those mums so that way they get watered approximately once a day here throughout the fall. This is Heidi from Garden Crossings, and wasn't that a quick fall transformation?